I'm Tom Gensmer. I'm a builder and remodeler in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Festool Vecturo. I've been using the Festool Vecturo for about a month now, and I can say it's the best oscillating tool I've ever used. Oscillating tools have become almost a required piece of equipment for most builders and remodelers. Festool with their Vecturo has taken all of the elements that have made an oscillating tool a handy and effective tool, and they have refined them. They've added power, they've reduced the vibration, and they've incorporated some amazing accessories that are toolless that you're going to use because they're fast and easy to use. Depth stop with the shoe is great for cutting thin or any material of flooring if you want to cut it flush with the wall. The rotating depth stop helps prevent you from making costly mistakes. In a wall, you don't want to hit the water pipes, electrical. In the floor, there might be in-floor water heating that you don't want to hit. Likewise, in the ceiling, there'll likely be electrical that you don't want to hit. The plunge base is the most innovative and unique toolless accessory available for the Festool Vecturo. Typically, when you make a plunge cut freehand with an oscillating tool, often the blade tends to wander back and forth. These blades are long, they're very thin. That's great, that's what we like about them. However, they're subject to skating across the surface of the material when making a cut. The plunge base for the Festool Vecturo has this very clever magnet that draws the blade right up to it, so when you make your plunge cut into your work, it doesn't want to wander.